Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about how to participate in VVM examination 2020. The website is given here vvm.org.in. You have to visit this website and the page that will open your browser will look like that. All the information you can get by tapping these three bars. As you can see, when you will tap this, you will get all the information what you need about examination detail, VVM browser, circular, gallery, result, FAQ, etc. But here I am going to tell you about how to register. There are two categories: student register, school register. Every year we were making a list of the students class wise and we are getting registered from school side. But this year, as it is not possible, so it is easy to register yourself individually. What you have to do, you have to choose this option, you have to tap on this and get it registered. Okay, first it will ask about student details. Okay, let me tell about fee also. Fee for this examination, that is 100 rupees each. We will discuss about the award prices etc also. So fee is 100 rupees. Okay, now registration process. You have to fill student details, then date of birth. As you will fill this, suppose I am filling here ABC, then date of birth suppose 2, जो भी आपका है वो भरेंगे, मेल फीमेल. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, then it will go to login details. This you have to create a password. You can create at any password you can create, like I'm creating one ABC or whatever the password. One two three हैशटैग. आप अपने हिसाब से कोई भी पासवर्ड चूज कर सकते हैं. हैशटैग matched, then go to the next step. Then region, it will ask about region. Select state, the state from which you belong. For us it is Maharashtra. The district, for us it is Raigad. City, whichever city you are living in, है ना. So I'm considering this Mangaon. Then go to the next step, school detail. First it will ask about school board. Our board is CBSE. Category, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, or anyone who are from different school, they can register from their school. Current school name, we will write here JNV Raigad. Current address, जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय निजामपुर, तालुका मानगांव, डिस्ट्रिक्ट महाराष्ट्र, रायगढ़, महाराष्ट्र. Class, suppose ABC is in class 9, then it is senior group. If you will choose 6, 7, 8, then it will be in junior group. Okay, now contact detail. It will ask about your parents detail. Okay, parents name, full name, like I am putting here XYZ. So whatever the name of your parent, you have to get it filling here. Okay, 90, like phone number, whatever the phone number you will fill it. Guardian's email ID @abc@gmail or whatever the mail you are using. Okay, then student phone number, that is optional, no need to fill this. If you have, then you can fill it. Email ID is also optional. Then it will ask about the after phone number, after filling this detail of email ID and parents name, then it will come to the next page, that is OTP. It will send two OTPs. One OTP at your registered mobile number which you have given here, and one OTP at your email ID. So one OTP you will get from here, one OTP you will get from here. On the next page, at this OTP page, you have to fill that OTP. Okay, after verifying, there will be a button of verify. Then after verifying, the payment gateway will open. It will ask for payment. So you can use different mode for payment. Payment can be done by online mode, like phone pay or any UPI, etc., or any card you can use. Okay, so after paying the fee, that is 100 rupees, you will be get registered and message will come for completion of registration. So this was all about how to register for VVM examination. Rest all the information you want, you can get it from this menu. Alright, thank you very much. Share, like and subscribe and get registered for the examination. Thank you students.